Namaste. District Governor Sangram, Governor-elect, my very good friend Gaurish, Governor nominee Baban, and the newest leader on the block, Nazir. And of course, my very dear friends, or the family of Rotary in 3170. I have several past governors as my friends. My legal colleague Pratap, Raju Bhaiya, from Kolhapur, both of them, and of course, Girish Manshukar, Pranesh, and Jasan, Vinay. I have some lovely memories from 3170. Friends, I'm missing each one of you. This last 2 years, we were not able to travel. My last ticket and my last trip was in March. Our scheduled trip was in March to Mahalakshmi temple, and that small reception my friend Pratap was trying to host in Kolhapur. I miss all that fun. I hope sooner than later I'll be with all of you and enjoy your friendship and fellowship. Gaurish, I miss my stay in Manoshanti and I wish you all the best as a leader. Sangram, of course, is the Lord of Wars. You have done some excellent work, excellent leadership exhibited during such traumatic pandemic situations. The resilience shown by you, the challenges you have taken up are exemplary, my friends, and I must pay my compliments and kudos to you. And not to forget your district trainer, Srinivas Mallu, my very good friend, who is helping you and guiding you in all the training events. Friends, it's today I'm going to talk to you about a great subject, a subject very close to my heart. You must have known that I started my Rotary career as a Rotaract president, and I'm happy that our world leader Shekhar Mehta has asked me to be the world chair for Rotaract. And Rotaract today is changing. There's so many changes that are happening, and happening at such a fast pace, friends. You are aware the 2016 Council on Legislation has made a resolution saying that now Rotaractors can become dual members. That means a Rotaractor can become a member of the Rotary Club also. This dual membership is being used extensively by the young people across the world, in every country. In India itself, there are hundreds of members who are dual members, who are having the best of the both worlds. What they say? We will have the enthusiasm and energy and dedication and exuberance of the youth in Rotaract, and we will also share the wisdom and networking facilities and resources of Rotary. So the best of the both worlds are being enjoyed by Rotaractors in the dual membership. And the 2019 Council on Legislation has made some lasting changes for our movement itself. What did they do? The 2019 Council on Legislations has said that Rotaract is no longer a program of Rotary. Mark my words, friends. Rotaract is no longer a program of Rotary. Today, Rotaract are equal partners. They are members of Rotary International, which means on one hand, Rotary clubs are members of Rotary International. On the other hand, Rotaract clubs are also members of Rotary International. What a dramatic change, friends, telling the youngsters, telling the youth force of this world that we want them into our fold. And they are now having an equal status. We have actually elevated Rotaract to a new status. And what does elevation means to them? Elevation means to them that today they can sponsor their own Rotaract clubs. Today, a Rotary club can sponsor a Rotaract club. Today, a Rotaract club can sponsor another Rotaract club. Today, a Rotaract club can sponsor by itself. So they have given independence in formation of clubs. And today, Rotaractors are being invited into the district committees. Every district governor, and I'm sure Gaurish is going to invite Rotaractors into most of his good committees. I have conversed with a lot of district governors across the world, and they told me that they are taking Rotaractors into these committees. And more importantly, these Rotaractors are also contributing so much in thought and action in these committees. Friends, Rotaractors today from tomorrow can actually participate in the global grant structure. Rotractors today are invited by the board of directors to attend the board of directors meetings and tell the Rotaract version or the Rotaract view to the board of directors. The trustees of the Rotary Foundation are inviting a Rotractor to attend their trustees meetings. True elevation of status, friends, because Rotary wants the synergy of Rotary and Rotaract to come together so that we can do better things into the world. So what else is happening to the Rotaract world? Winds of change are flowing, friend. Winds of change are blowing. I must tell you, 50 leaders in Rotaract, 50 leaders in Rotaract are being invited to the International Assembly. Past President Mark Maloney did it. Current President Holger Knack has did it. And our own leader, Shekhar Mehta, has done it. And I'm sure Jennifer Jones and the leaders to follow will invite these 50 or more DRRs to participate in the International Assembly. What an excellent thought process to provide leadership platforms, friends. So their status is being elevated. Not only that, from 1st July 2022, Rotaractors will pay dues, $5 for being a member from an institution and $8 for being a member from a community-based club. To me, friends, that is going to alter the status of Rotaract because their membership will now be recorded in Rotary International, and tomorrow Rotary International will proudly say that these are also our members. So what does Rotaractors offer to Rotary? Of course, they offer their dedication and commitment, they offer their youthful exuberance, and more importantly, friends, they offer their innovativeness. You are aware that Rotaractors themselves are experts in their fields. We have a Rotaract past DRR from your own district actually moderating an International Assembly, and I must compliment her for the excellent opportunity. So Rotaractors have innovative methods and means. While they are experts in their fields, they are also experts in recruiting because they will find innovative methods to recruit. They will use the social media platform to recruit new members. Several Rotaract clubs are today using their Facebook page, their Instagram, their LinkedIn and other social media handles to recruit members. I think that expertise of social media management will be very much useful to Rotary also to recruit. In fact, our world leader asked me one single thing. Ravi, you must try and integrate Rotary and Rotaract. Rotary and Rotaract must totally be integrated. That is your first goal. Of course, we have several goals, friends. In the next Rotary year, when Gaurish and others will take care of your district, and after Gaurish, Babban, and after that Nazir, friends, I will be there for 3 years in the Rotaract committee. And so the target for the next 3 years would be 1 million Rotaractors through the world. In the next Rotary year, we are going to have 4 World Rotaract conferences, 1 in India and 3 outside India. So these are going to enable Rotaractors and Rotarians to come together to share their wisdom and share their knowledge and share their fun and fellowship to ensure that Rotaract is propelled forward. We are also asking Rotaractors now to bring Rotarians. You are all aware, each one bring one is our mantra next year, friends. And as we bring Rotarians into our fold, we are also asking Rotaractors to bring Rotarians into the fold. So I am asking every Rotaractor to bring one Rotarian. You will agree with me that Rotaractors know the potential Rotarians. Who are the potential Rotarians? They can be their uncles, their aunts, their dad, their mom, their office boss or their lecturers, or they're just their partners, their peers who would perhaps want to join Rotary. So my call to Rotaractors is that they must participate in the Each One Bring One program, and they must bring Rotarians into our fold. Of course, we will ensure that every district forms several Rotaract clubs. We will ensure that Rotaract is doubled in your district, and I will give a call to Gaurish. Please take this message loud and clear, my friend. You must ensure that Rotaractors in your district are at least doubled. Remember, target 1 million in the next 3 years. And we in India must focus on that particular growth. Of course, Rotaractors bring lot of innovativeness to their projects. A Rotaract club in Sri Lanka has done an excellent project for the AIDS victims. They started what they call as a dream store, an online platform for goods. And today, several AIDS victims are happy because of the income generated from that store. A Rotaract club from Mumbai with just 32 members has developed a huge network of volunteers in all the medical colleges surrounding, and come project, all these volunteers come together. So if there is a project, not only Rotaractors, all these volunteer friends of that Rotaract club come together. Their wonderful project was real-time data application and app application at Kumbh Mela. They helped the government of India last in 2015 to conduct the Kumbh Mela and health camps with providing real-time data on the various health issues for the pilgrims. Friends, these are the kind of innovative projects that Rotaract takes. Rotaract uses their social media management to do projects, to have fun, and more importantly, to do fundraising. This pandemic has taught that Rotaractors help us in mobilizing social activism. Social activism is the key, and advocacy is the key, where we ourselves have learned a lot of projects. You know that polio, we were advocating for polio eradication. And I think the time has come for us also to enable activism through the help of Rotaractors. Friends, Rotaractors can be very creative because of their age. The youthful exuberance and innovativeness will give a lot of innovative ideas. You are aware of Gunj NGO in Delhi, started by Anush Gupta. Anush Gupta was just 32 years old when he started this, of collecting old clothes. And today it's a huge NGO doing so many humanitarian works. His project, not just a piece of cloth, is an example of innovativeness. You are aware of Shahin Mistry, for Teach for India founder, how she is encouraging youngsters from IIT, IIM and other professional colleges to teach for India to hone up their leadership skills. These are the kind of innovative, creative programs that Rotaract will bring us. You know, creative solutions to complex problems is the slogan for Rotaractors. So friends, let us today dedicate ourselves to bring this youthful force, this youthful energy, this youthful dynamism, this youthful creativity into our fold and enlarge and ensure that there is huge synergy that happens to the Rotary world. Together, let us change the face of Rotary. And I once again thank my very good dear friend Sangram and all of you friends for giving me this lovely opportunity, and I wish and I hope I'll be able to see you sooner than later. Thank you very much. Namaste.